Hey, are you struggling to track your customers and boost your ad result? Facebook Pixel can change that. In this video, I will show you how to set up Facebook Pixel through Google Tag Manager. So without further ado, let's get started. This is our website and we already connected this Google Tag Manager with this website. Now we need to create a Facebook Pixel. To create the Facebook Pixel, at first we need to go the Meta Business Suite. Then this is the overview. Then this is data source. You can see here are some pixels, but we need to create a new pixel. To create a new pixel, we need to click on connect data source. This icon, web, next. Create a new dataset, create. Then we can close it. So this is our pixel. Now we need to go to Google Tag Manager, variable, and then new. Then we need to choose the constant and copy the code from here. On the other hand, we can go on settings and then click here, Google Tag Manager, then paste the code over here, write a name. We need to go to tags, the new template gallery. Then I can search here Facebook Pixel. We need to install this on Facebook Archive. Add to workspace. Then add. Okay, the template install done. Then we can easily paste the code or paste the dataset ID over here, but we already create a constant variable. We can call it this one, Facebook Pixel. Then the base code. Then for the base code, we need to choose the page view and then trigger. The trigger should be all pages. Then you can write a name. Now we can check the Facebook Pixel is connected with our website or not. Click on preview and connect. See here the Facebook Pixel tag is fired, and we can also check it here. We need to disable the ad blocker. Okay, now we can check the Facebook Pixel through the Meta Pixel Helper Chrome extension. We can see here the page view event has come. Now we can check it on Event Manager. Then test event, and we can paste here our website URL. Copy the URL and paste the URL over here. Open website. We can see here the test event is working and the page view event is coming. Because we set up only page view event, I mean Facebook Pixel code, that's why the page view event is coming. So this is the thing that if you follow this video, I think you will be able to set up Facebook Pixel. So in the next video, I will show you how to set up a standard event one by one. This is all for today. If you find this video valuable, then don't forget to subscribe and stay with me. Thank you very much.